This is the first ever public sector cancer treatment and research hospital. It is nearing completion. This building coming out of the ground that you see has been built in a few months' time. In a first ever cancer treatment hospital in Pakistan, 1,000-bedded hospital. Please stop. So this is, I went to China and I went to an exhibition where they had displayed their machinery, this famous company called Hygia. And they told me about this machine that is the size of an ultrasound or an echo machine. And amazingly, to my utter disbelief, they told me that this is a walk-in and walk-out procedure for some kinds of cancer, tumor. And it treats the cancer without invasive surgery, without conventional surgery, and walk in and walk out 60 minutes, the patient is cancer free. It is expensive, but I got the first machine, and many patients who received this treatment, 60 minutes without surgery, without chemo, without anything, are now, mashallah, by the grace of God, they're all cancer free now. So I have a huge waiting list. I've ordered 6 more machines. One for North Punjab, one for the cancer hospital, 2 for cancer hospital, 2 for the South Punjab. And it is pretty expensive. It is $5,500 for one treatment, for one probe. It's $5,500. My dream to have at least treatment of cardiology in all districts of Punjab, so that people in emergency, because the cardiac patients don't have much time. So this rule of golden hour, that if treated within 60 minutes, if stabilized within 60 minutes, if administered with the right medicine within 60 minutes, many lives would be saved. So alhamdulillah, in just a few months' time, this hospital is now functional, not only built but functional. The first institute of cardiology for the entire Sargodha division. Another is functional in the first of Sahiwal division. I was in Murray. I inaugurated the first cardiology center in Murray, which will also cater to KPK and AJK and also people of Galiyat. Yes, please. I don't want people from one city to travel to other cities for treatment. The basic treatment should be there. So I have about 2,500 basic health units and 300 rural health centers, which is obviously a mini hospital, especially in the rural areas. All 2,500 basic health units have been turned into state-of-the-art mini hospitals. And they are revamped to the highest standards. It is as good as any clinic in the Western countries. Please see. Yes. Field hospitals, we have 32 for the rural areas. The 1,000 clinics on wheels that we have. They did a splendid job, stellar job during the floods. And despite this amount of water, despite the devastating flood, not a single disease outbreak. And that was because we were prepared. Free medicines for heart patients, for cancer patients, for hepatitis patients, delivered to their doorsteps. People who had to stand in the queues in the hospital for their weekly or monthly dose of medicine is now 60 days, a stock of 60 days is now delivered to their doorsteps without any cost, free of cost. Pakistan's first air ambulance. Many lives have been saved because of this. 3 insulin program. It took us a little time to develop the cold chain, but as it's now delivered to the doorsteps. Please hold. So the specialties that the treatment that Pakistan does not have, the treatment of diseases that Pakistan does not have, I'm working on it, and we are building Pakistan's first medical district that will have treatment for all those diseases that need specialized care. For example, lung diseases, for example, orthopedics, for example, children diseases, for example, bone marrow diseases, blood diseases. $30,000 bikes delivered, 80,000 scholarships going to the deserving students, deserving but meritorious students, who would have otherwise not been able to pursue their education. It's called Honahar Scholarship. Honahar means meritorious. 100,000 laptops this year. About 1 million kids getting a pack of milk every day. And this is sad but true, but this is increased enrollment. This is the first of its kind Center of Excellence for Early Childhood, for people who cannot afford. This is unparalleled, better than any expensive private school. Please have a look, these are real pictures, not AI. Centers of excellence being built in every district of Punjab. Better than any private school. Center of excellence everywhere for the first autism school for special children. STEAM competition, science, technology, engineering, art and maths across Punjab. I've got 49,000 schools. Punjab is the agriculture, the food basket of Pakistan. Therefore, I also have to look after the interest of my farmer, while also maintaining prices for people who live on the periphery of life. Difficult decision, not an easy one. We are mechanizing the entire agricultural landscape of Punjab.